we're in sales. And usually these discounts in sales, and I think Alex can testify to this, they do more harm than good, because now you have, it's almost like, and man, I don't want to give marketing departments a bad time, but it's almost like lying in your personal life. And you got to remember, like, what did I tell her and what did I tell him and what was the offer? And let me just put it this way, because I'm not trying to sell you either way. But if there's a brand that you hold at an elite level, a Rolex or a Chanel or a Goyard or a Bugatti, okay, they never have 50% off for a reason, right? Makes it really easy for their people. When you go into an authorized Rolex dealer, it's real easy for them to, with a straight face, go, hey, the price is what it is, right? If you could get a Daytona, it's $38,957, right? And anybody who's tried to get one, because it takes years to get one, knows that 2 years ago it was 36,000, whatever. And 2 years before that, it was 34, right? Like, when you are firm with your price, all I'm saying is it makes things very easy for you as a sales rep to keep the conversation focused on what? How they're going to use the product, the outcome they wanted to achieve, the value they were going to get from it. When we take price off the table, it gives us so much more ability to really change somebody's life. The minute we introduce price, the very second we say, if you do this right now, you're going to get this price, the conversation has now left the building from how you're going to improve their life as a coach to, is this the best time to get the best deal? Right? It's a very different conversation. So yeah, I don't want to give you any advice that screws you up. If you're running promotions and you're like, click through the end of this, you'll get this. Here's the thing. I don't do that with mine, because I just don't have enough time, and I have a limited amount of salespeople, and I don't want to have them keep track of what offer was given to who, which is what Alex is going through right now. We're a fixed price.